this was my leg and this is it now. Walking you through my simple shaving routine or two about how to avoid strawberry legs and how to shave the proper way, and I'm going to be putting you on today. Walking you through my simple shaving routine, the one that keeps my leg this smooth, this soft, without any irritation. I believe I've gained the right to talk about this because this was my leg and this is it now. So yeah, I know a thing or two about how to avoid strawberry legs and how to shave the proper way, and I'm going to be putting you on today. So we'll go through the products that are necessary for this. Firstly, you would need a good exfoliant. This would be a body scrub. I currently use the Dove body scrub. This is called the white peach and crushed rice. It has a nice smell. You can use any body scrub. As far as is exfoliating enough for you, it's good to go. So next, we are going to need a good shaving cream or a conditioner. I know this might sound weird, but I've used conditioners many times. In fact, I interchange between this one and a conditioner. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use that. And I feel like the both work good. So currently for the shaving cream, I use the EOS 24-hour moisturizing shave cream. This is super moisturizing, and that is what we are looking for. The shave cream which can retain the moisture, because that's one of the major causes of strawberry legs, when your skin gets too dry. And obviously there's some other factors that add to that. And next, we are going to need a very good razor. This is one of the most important steps. In fact, all steps are important, but this is important because I feel like people miss the point with this. You're going to need a razor with a minimum of 4 blades. This one has 6 blades. It's called Cool Rays. You don't have to get this one. You can get any razor which is a minimum of 4 blades at Walmart, Target, wherever you shop. But yeah, I use the 6 blades. I feel like the more the better. This is important because of ingrown hair. So this, look, get this. Next, the moisturizer. Important. I currently use Olay Vitamin C moisturizing lotion. You have to get a good moisturizer. Don't just use a moisturizer you forgot in your drawer 1 year ago. Like, get something good. I really like this one, and you can get anything that actually gets into the skin, not those kind of moisturizers that just stays on the surface. Something that actually sinks in. That's the kind of moisturizer we're going to be going for. If you like body oils or you have a more dry skin, also opt for that. You go in with the body oil after you use the lotion. So I'm going to be showing you guys the technique now, and I will do a voiceover showing you guys what direction to shave and do's and don'ts. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going to be starting with my hands. After a nice shower, while your skin is still moist, you go in with the Dove body scrub. Ensure that you rub it around evenly and make sure to get it deeply into your skin. After that, you rinse it off. While your skin is still a bit wet, I'll go in with our next product, the EOS shaving cream. Like I said before, if you don't have that, you can always use a conditioner. I'm going to spread that evenly across my hands. Next, you're going to need the 6-blade razor I showed previously. Make sure that the razor has been rinsed with hot water before you start shaving. So for the technique I was talking about, whatever direction your hair grows in, we are going to be shaving the opposite way. So my hair grows from my right to my left, so I'll be shaving from my left to my right, so always in the opposite direction. You're going to shave gently. Don't go back forth. That's why you need a very good razor for this. And after we're done with that, we'll wash it off. Now the last step for the hands, the moisturizer. You're going to get enough and apply it evenly across your skin. Make sure it sinks in, and that's it for the hands. Let's move on to the legs. Moving on to the legs, we're going to go in first with the Dove scrub, and you spread that evenly. Make sure you get it everywhere, and we'll rinse that off. While your skin is still wet, we are going to go in with the EOS shaving cream, and we're going to apply that evenly. and do the same with it to the hand. Shave in an opposite direction. I like hair grows up to down, so we are going to be shaving down to up in the opposite direction, like I said. If you're using the same razor as you're using for your upper body, which isn't bad by the way, I would advise after a day of shaving, just change it. You could buy the ones which has the replaceable heads, so you don't have to throw the whole thing. Be slow and steady. It's better than being fast and getting yourself injured, because that's what we're going to try and avoid here. After that, you wash your legs with warm water, not too hot, not too cold, nothing that could cause any sort of irritation, and you dry it and let's moisturize. And yeah, today we are going to be moisturizing with the Oli vitamin C lotion, and I'm going to get that deeply in my skin and let it sink in for a while, and after that we are done. Easy, simple. Okay, so that's my shaving routine. Super simple and super smooth. Let me know if you want more hygiene tips or you want my full body care routine. Just let me know what you want in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a heart in the comment section. And please watch my vlogs. You might get 1 or 2 tips too from there, because I drop gems here and there. It's not dependent on the video. Okay, thank you. See you on Sunday. Bye.